What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Mojados over here. We're out back on our favorite lake as always. Rain just rolled right through, so hopefully this summer night, we're going to do a little bit of night fishing today. See if we can catch any big ones and see if we can get any topwater action before it gets too dark. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see out there, you got two kayakers out there already. Water's nice and calm, so hopefully the conditions hold up and stay like this and doesn't get too damn hot, because remember, it is Florida, so you never know how the weather's gonna be. So I'm out here with my old man, favorite grandpa Dennis, see what we can catch. Let's see if we get lucky then. Let's see. Good. Oh, the schools are all to your right. They're all on that side. They're all. Huh? They're moving up. A few of them jumped up, but there's like 3 or 4 pods all on this side. Look at that. Up by the bank, up by the shore. I got one. I got one. Oh snap, I got a big one. Oh yeah. I got a nice. Look at that. Nice. Look at it. He's missing part of his tail. He's got jack. Dude, throw it. Throw it. Yeah, now you want to fight. Come on, fishy. Yep. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I got you, I got you. Don't worry. I'll let you go. It's too early. Oh yeah. Look at that, dude. He got chomped on. He got chomped pretty bad. Yeah. Not bad. Get back in there. I know you're eating. Get back in there. Oh, damn it. Yep. Fluke. Look, he barely had it by the tail. I know, I can see that. Big old mushroom over there. Bait. Pulled it back enough. Not enough to get hooked. Oh, a little tiny thing? Hit it. See, there's another one in there. Got one. A little tiny one. Get over here. Little baby. Probably. Yeah, probably. I mean, look at the size of the fluke compared to the fish. I mean, she's glutton. It almost looks like a smallmouth bass because how dark he is. There we go. Torpedo in the water. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. That is pretty cool though. That is, that is pretty cool though. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Hell yeah, man. Almost got you. Almost got you.
I didn't mean to mess up your bass fishing.
It's alright, man. No big deal.
Doing any good?
Nothing major.
Catch you something.
That's it.